Hi friends, welcome to Happy Heart. Today for a change I am going to make this video in English instead of Tamil. So this video is all about how we celebrated our wedding anniversary, and this shows how my husband tried to surprise me and how I tried to surprise him. So this video might be useful to someone who would like to surprise their spouses on their wedding anniversary. What was more special was the day started with a very lovely and sweet surprise from my husband, and I never had a clue about that earlier. This is our wedding invitation and I'm feeling very nostalgic on seeing this. So come, let's get into the video and see how we spent our day.
Welcome back to Happier channel.
Since our anniversary was on a weekday, we both had to go to office. So after I reached office, I got a call from my husband asking me to check if his Bluetooth earbuds is inside my bag. When I opened the bag, I found this box and I was completely shocked and surprised because more than the value of the gift, I was happy about the fact that he got something to me as a surprise. So why I'm telling this is because he was never a man of surprises, and whenever there is an occasion, he just takes us with him and gets us things whichever we need. So this was the first time, like one of the rare occurrences where he got a gift completely as a surprise. He bought this gold bangle the previous day and kept it secretly inside my handbag, which I never noticed. So now you would have seen this is how my day started, with a sweet and lovely surprise, and this made my day. I was very happy on seeing this sweet surprise. So come now, let's see how I tried to surprise him in the evening. But I have not given any valuable gifts like this, but I tried to do something which could make him happy. So come, let's see. So this is the first surprise which I gave to him in the evening. So this was a cake which I baked. So this is a red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting. So since I couldn't make it on the same day, I made the cake 2 days back, and the previous day I made the cream cheese frosting for the cake, and then I kept it in the fridge. So on our anniversary day in the evening, I came home early and I took the cake and arranged it. So if you see, this might not be very perfect. So this is how I arranged the cake, and I have kept small candle lights around the cake. So if you see, I have done a heart-shaped frosting. This is not perfect at all, but I tried my level best to make it okay. So this is how the cake looked like when the lights were off, with candle lights around that. So this blue light was reflected from the Christmas tree which was kept nearby, and our kids, our neighbor kids were in our house playing with the caramel. So they were also enjoying and they were happy to see the cake and the lights.
Happy wedding anniversary! Happy wedding anniversary! Happy wedding anniversary, Mummy and Papa! Happy wedding anniversary!
Thank you, Chalakutti.
Wedding anniversary!
Thank you, Chalakutti. Hi.
My name is Sophia.
Hi.
Look at me! Look at me!
And so there entered my husband. It was a very cute wish from all the kids.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
So this is how our cake looked like after we have cut the cake. So I will share the recipe of this cake and the frosting in another separate video. Actually the cake was soft and even the frosting was good. Only thing was the frosting was a bit more on the sweeter side. So if I would have reduced the sugar, then it would have been proper. So when I gave to my neighbors, even my neighbor complimented for the cake. So she told that she liked it. So I was very happy about the outcome. After the cake cutting was over, we had a small photo shoot. If you see the t-shirts in this photo, this tells "Together since 2008. So this was a second surprise which I planned to give for my husband on that day. So this whole chicken was pre-marinated and it was kept in the fridge. So as soon as I came home, I fixed it in the rod and I kept it for grilling. So this took around more than 1 hour to grill completely. So once the grilled chicken was ready, I also baked some veggies like potatoes, carrots and capsicum, and I arranged all of them in a glass bowl, and then I placed it on the table and I kept the candle lights around that. So I was just thinking to present a candlelight dinner. So it's like a mini candlelight dinner. So this is how our mini candlelight dinner looked like. So since it was during Christmas time, the additional lightings in the house also gave more brightness to this moment. If you see, the Christmas wreath was near the dining table, and then on the other corner we had the Christmas tree and the Christmas crib, so which also gave multicolor lights, and so the moment was very memorable one. So this is how our day was spent, with lots of surprises and happiness. And not to forget, this was a lovely card made by Carmel for both of us. One side was for daddy and the other side was for mummy. So this is how our celebration went on that day. So if you like this video, please subscribe so that you will be notified of the interesting videos in the future.